This is the audio test on both phones, starting with iPhone 16 Pro. This is cinematic 4K 30 FPS triple camera setup. We're using the selfie camera. It can shoot 4K both the selfie and the rear. Then we have the portrait video on Samsung Galaxy S25 triple camera setup. We're also testing the audio eraser of this phone. So let me know if you can hear the difference in the audio. I think that's it for the quick portrait video and audio test. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the widest portrait shot, which is 1x, and Galaxy S25 is wider than the competition. Also, the face is a little bit beautified and smoother compared to the more detailed iPhone 16 Pro. But crazy how both phones are so similar with the portrait shots. Galaxy portrait is just a little bit beautified, skin is a little bit whiter. Now going to the main sensor, which is 2x, you will see that there's a lot of details on the face on iPhone. You got smoother and whiter face on Galaxy S25. In terms of white balance, if you look on the jacket, it's warmer on the latest iPhone 16 Pro. On portrait zoom, both phones can shoot 5x. Again, if you look on the face, it's consistently more detailed on iPhone 16 Pro, and you get a more natural tone on Galaxy S25. I think the biggest difference here is the 3x optical zoom of Galaxy S25 versus 5x on iPhone 16 Pro. Which focal length do you prefer? On selfie, you got better edge detection on iPhone 16 Pro. Galaxy S25 misses on my wife's hair. Almost the same level of details on the face. iPhone 16 Pro just crushes the contrast a little bit more. Make your way to the dance floor. Bodies move to the passing up. Whoa, get lost in the moment. Spend a month's wage in one person. We're starting with the video test on the selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS. So we have 12 megapixel on Galaxy S25 and also 12 megapixel on iPhone 16 Pro. We have dual face detection autofocus on S25 and dual face detection autofocus and OIS on iPhone 16 Pro. We're testing the ultra-wide lens of both phones. Rear camera 4K 60 FPS. So we have 0.5 on iPhone 16 Pro and 0.6 on Galaxy S25 Ultra. We have 12 megapixel on the latest Galaxy S25 and 48 megapixel on the Pro version. Obviously, we're comparing the regular versus Pro. Now we're switching to the main sensor. So 48 megapixel sensor on iPhone 16 Pro with sensor shift OIS, dual face detection autofocus. And we have the 50 megapixel sensor on Galaxy S25, dual face detection autofocus and OIS. In terms of video recording and vlogging, I think this is the best sensors for both phones. Now let's switch to the zoom. And on daylight condition, this is the zoom capability of iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Which phone is better in terms of details and white balance and even the exposure? So we have 5x optical zoom on iPhone 16 Pro and 3x on Galaxy S25. So I think that's it for the video test daylight. Now let's check the image quality. Without the macro mode on both phones, Galaxy S25 has a closer focus on the main sensor. In terms of color profile, Samsung is warmer than iPhone 16 Pro. Also, the sky is toned down on the newest Galaxy. In terms of noise reduction, I like the smoother images on iPhone 16 Pro. Even on challenging situation, there's just more noise on Galaxy S25. Generally, the images on Galaxy S25 is brighter than iPhone 16 Pro, but I feel like the colors are popping out a little bit more with the newest iPhone. Both phones can shoot ultra-wide and the main sensor. We got 3x on Galaxy S25 and 5x on the iPhone. But looking at the 4K zoom, we got 30x on the newest Galaxy. This is the video stabilization test, starting with the selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS. So look at the clouds and a little bit of flaring here. Now let's check the video stabilization. I'm shaking the phone a little bit. Now let's switch to the rear cameras. Now this is the rear cameras in 4K 30 FPS, or rather 60 FPS. We're starting with the ultra wide lens. So 0.5 on iPhone 16 Pro and 0.6 a little bit cropped in on Galaxy S25 Ultra. Look at the color of the sky and the exposure on the trees. In terms of white balance, warmer on iPhone 16 Pro. Checking the flaring a little bit here. Alright, let's do the video stabilization. Now we're switching to the main sensor. So look at the details. 48 megapixel versus 50 megapixel. Look at the exposure here. And details. Both sensors are very detailed. Again, let's check the video stabilization. We also have 5x on iPhone 16 Pro and 3x on Galaxy S25. So in terms of video stabilization, which phone do you think is better? We can go 5x also on S25 for you to see the difference. So this is the quality of the digital crop on S25s and optical zoom on iPhone 16 Pro. I would say better quality on iPhone 16 Pro. This is optical zoom. And going to the farthest zoom, we have 15x on iPhone 16 Pro and 12x on S25 Ultra. Switching back to the main sensor, which phone do you think is better? Both phones has great night shots. I think two of the best in all the flagships I tested. Almost the same look as top of the line. Galaxy S25 is neutral tone, while iPhone 16 Pro is warmer. Certainly if you got enough light, there's no problem with night shots. There's just more details on iPhone 16 Pro, looking at the floors. But if you go on darker situation or pitch black condition, S25 has a weird purplish tone, and there's just more details on iPhone 16 Pro. I personally like the ultra wide on Galaxy S25. I like the main sensor on iPhone 16 Pro, and the zoom has more noise but has better colors. This is the low light video recording test, starting with the selfie video recording, 4K 60 FPS, the highest resolution on the selfie camera. So we have 12 megapixel f2.2 with 26mm on Galaxy S25, and we have 12 megapixel as well, f1.9 23mm, a little bit wider on iPhone 16 Pro. It's also warmer and better exposed than the competition. While Galaxy S25 is darker but natural looking, which phone is better in terms of selfie camera? Now let's check the rear cameras. Now this is the ultra wide lens, again in 4K 60 FPS. We cannot test the 8K because we only have 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 16 Pro. So we have 0.5, a little bit wider on iPhone 16 Pro, and 0.6 on Galaxy S25. This is 48 megapixel on iPhone and 12 megapixel on Samsung Galaxy S25. Now let's switch to the main sensor. Now we're switching to the main sensor. So this is 48 megapixel sensor on iPhone 16 Pro and 50 megapixel on Galaxy S25. We lost that 200 megapixel sensor of the Ultra, so we only have 50 megapixel 1/1.56 versus the bigger 1/1.28 on iPhone 16 Pro. In terms of video quality, which phone do you think is better? So this is the telephoto zoom on both phones. iPhone 16 Pro has 12 megapixel sensor, 5 times optical zoom, while we have 10 megapixel telephoto 3x on Galaxy S25. We actually have a bit of a light so you can see my face clearly. So in terms of selfie video recording, main sensor, ultra wide, and zoom, which phone do you think is better? This is 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 16 Pro, the highest resolution on video recording. And this is 8K 30 FPS video recording. the highest resolution on S25. I think that's it for our camera comparison video. Which phone do you think is better? Leave your comment down below, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.